cut these. Just in my little bag because the seeds fall out very easily. So actually I should put them in upside down. Is that enough? I'll cut some more. It's good to cut off the seed heads anyway, because when you allow the seeds to grow, it kind of, just like anything else, it cuts the process of making, the plant starts to sort of shut down, because it's like, okay, I reproduce myself, I can move on now, I can go on and see the big garden in the sky. So anyway, I'm sorry, I cracked myself up. Anyway, so yeah, so basically, if you allow seeds to grow, the plant gets the message that it's made enough, because really the whole point of a plant is to make seeds, reproduce itself, okay, it's finished. So, all of these basil plants are full of flowers and full of seed heads, and I really should just cut the whole thing. You can use everything. Okay, so I repent from the idea that I should just go ahead and cut off all the basil flower heads, because I'm standing here, now that I walked away for a minute, and there are so many little insects, beneficials flitting around this basil, and it's a food for insects, particularly bees, and so maybe I won't cut them all down just yet. I'll just cut off the brown seed heads. Here's another one. Okay, so I got my basil seed spikes, and they're all kind of full of these nice fresh leaves. So I'm gonna pick off the leaves, and then also some of these tops. This is perfectly edible also. I'm gonna pick off the leaves, and then I'm gonna dump the seed spike into this paper bag to continue drying. making pesto. This is a good amount. I really didn't think it was going to be that much. And then I got my bag full of seed heads. And I'm just going to let these sit in this bag for, you know, a few weeks. Make sure that they're thoroughly dry. And then when they're dry, I'll just shake the seeds out. They'll fall into the bag. And, you know, all this stuff is perfectly edible. Once this is dry, you can still eat this stuff. These little, you know, seed receptacles, whatever they are. You know, I saved these little tender flower tips because, you know, you can cook with that. You can cook with all this. So, anyway, that's it for now.